Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In this video tutorial, I will show you how to fix Football Manager 26 game crashing, not launching, not loading, lagging, freezing, black screen or other issues on PS5. So let's go through the methods. So the first method is to restart your PlayStation. It's one of the best way to fix the issue. It will resolve temporary bugs or glitches. Just open PS5 screen and click on PlayStation button on controller. Then select power button and then select restart PS5. Now after that, check if you can play the game. If not, next method is to rebuild database. For that, switch off your PS5, then hold down power button unless 2 beep sound occur. Now leave power button to enter safe mode. Here connect DualSense controller by USB cable and then select rebuild database. Now after this step, check if the problem is resolved. If not, next is to switch Wi-Fi frequency. For that, go to settings, then click on network, then click on settings, then click on setup network connection. Here click on options. Now under Wi-Fi frequency, you can switch to 5 GHz or 2.4 GHz and then check if the problem is resolved. If not, next method is to check for game update. You should ensure the game is updated and is not outdated. First highlight the game and press options button. Now choose check for update. If any update is available, click on update and then follow the instructions to proceed ahead. Next solution is to restore licenses. For that, open settings, then click on users and accounts. Now move down to others on left panel. Now choose restore licenses. After that, select Football Manager 26 and then click on restore. Finally confirm by selecting yes. Next is to delete games save file PS5. For that, first open settings on PS5 menu. Now choose save data PS5. Here select upload or delete from console storage, then select Football Manager 26. After that, check if the problem is fixed. If not, next is to check storage space on console. For that, go to PS5 settings and move down to storage. Here you will see console storage and extended storage. Then check each of them by clicking on it and then delete save data. Now after this method, check if you can launch the game. If not, next method is to check PS5 overheating. For that, make sure your PS5 is not overheating and is well ventilated. If it's overheating, try to cool down for some time before using it. This will help to fix the issue on PS5. Next solution is to change language on console. For that, open PS5 settings, then go to system. Here choose language option in the left sidebar, then select current language. After that, change the language to English or any other and then check if the issue is resolved. Next solution is to sign out and sign into PS5. For that, go to settings, then click on users and accounts. Next, go down and click on other option. After that, click on sign out option. Once done, again log into the PS5 account and then check for the error if it is resolved or not. Next is to install software updates on PS5. For that, open settings on PS5, then select system. Now go to system software, then system software update and settings. Next, choose update system software if any update is available, and finally choose update using internet option. Next method is to reinstall Football Manager 26. For that, first highlight Football Manager 26 on your PS5 and press options on your controller. Now choose delete and confirm it. Finally, restart your PS5 and install Football Manager 26 again to check for the error. Final solution is to contact support. So if nothing works, then you should take help from the PlayStation support. Link is already in the description. Just go through the link and explain whatever the issue you are coming across to the support team, and hopefully they will try to resolve it from their end. So that's all for now in this video. Thank you.